Namaskar, good afternoon, and thanks, Ms. Sanal. You are the supporting partner with Indian Geotechnical Journal. This journal is actually older than me. It started in 1971. We are currently volume 55 in 2025, and we have 6 issues per year. From next year onwards, that is January 2026 onwards, we are going a big jump ahead with 12 issues per year. So probably we will justify the Growth Impact Award what we have received today from Springer. Thanks for that. We are not deteriorating the quality of the journal, that we are very conscious about it. Our acceptance rate is still about 30%. And the journal actually connected with Springer since 2012, and thanks to all my predecessors of Editor-in-Chief, Professor Babu, Professor Madhavi Latta, and also we are publishing under the umbrella of our big society, that is Indian Geotechnical Society. We have our Honorary Secretary present over here, Dr. A.P. Singh, who is also an Associate Editor, one of the Associate Editor. We tried to expand our board very recently, taking experts across the globe, both in associate editor, also the gender representation, geographical representation, all these aspects we are putting for our journal, for the growth. And also, this is an area where you see not much of citation or a high impact factor, because civil engineering journals, our topmost journal, what we consider worldwide is American Society of Civil Engineers, that too also have impact factor of roughly about 3, where we started getting impact factor for this journal just 3 years back, and we are 1.6. Still a long way to go ahead, but I'm sure that with collective effort of Springer, Indian Geotechnical Society, our reviewers, readers and authors, we can do well. Few examples I can tell you, because as this is a common forum of all experts coming from various fields of science, technology, humanities, everything. So if you want to know about, let us say, the nuclear power plant foundations of India, probably you can refer to our journal. If you want to know world highest bridge, that is the Chenab Bridge, which was in news, if you want to know about the foundation, you can refer to this journal. If you want to know Ram Janmabhoomi temple, which has been inaugurated recently in Ayodhya, how the 1,000 years longevity of the lifespan of a foundation has been created, you can refer to this journal. If you want to know India's longest sea bridge, that is MTHL Atal Setu in Mumbai, 21.8 km long in the sea, Arabian Sea. If you want to know how the foundation has been created, you can refer to this journal. So like that, we can say that it connects to the real world field problem of the infrastructure, and that is why we are not only in the academia area, but also we are expanding to the field case studies, case histories, which actually will have a good archival value, and that is the reason what actually we are trying to improve our journal quality by participation of our industry partners, because you know, civil engineering cannot stand alone only in a few equations or figures or tables or fundamental research. Yes, we honor fundamental research, but we also very much appreciate the applied research, and that is what our journal is, and we are trying to improve in that aspect. So thank you so much. Thanks to Springer once again, and look forward for all of your blessings for the journal and for the future growth. Thank you. Namaskar.